I'm here today to share with you all some fabulous goodies I scored from my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what did MGA find in her local Dollar Tree this time. Yes, and I am so excited, but wait. I'm more excited to announce that I'm hosting a giveaway. Yes, Glam Dolls, I am hosting a giveaway with an amazing collaboration with JORD watches. Yes, if you're not familiar with JORD watches, they create handcrafted wooden timepieces, which also looks like this. Yes, dolls, this is a wooden timepiece that I've got from JORD watches, and I'm doing an amazing giveaway with them all. The giveaway is valued at $180. One lucky Glam Doll will have a chance to win her very own handcrafted wooden timepiece with engravement from JORD watches. Now, to enter the giveaway, all you got to do is check down in the description box below. Make sure that you please check down in the description box below so you can find the link that will guide you on instructions on how to enter this amazing giveaway. I kid you not, dolls. JORD watches, they really do create beautiful handcrafted wooden timepieces, and like I said, the value is $180, where you'll get a chance to pick your very own handcrafted wooden timepiece of your choice, and then you can have an amazing JORD watch too. So that's what I'm really excited about. But let me get back into what I got from my local Dollar Tree. So, okay, let me see. What should I start with? I'm going to start with the miscellaneous stuff first so we can just get that out the way. So, I picked up these makeup bags that I saw floating around that a lot of the Glam Dolls here on the Dollar Tree community on YouTube was hauling. I was super excited to have seen them. I did see about 4 different designs, but out of the 4 designs, I only picked these 2 right here because this is what really attracted me to them. I like the fact that this one says treat yourself because I'm here for it. I'm all about you treating yourself when absolutely necessary and unapologetically, okay? That would be a whole nother separate video, so let me not get into that. The point is, treat yourself, okay? I snatched that one. This one says smile like you mean it, and this one also spoke out to me because I'm all about positive reinforcement, positive affirmations, thinking positive, behaving positively, always equals positive results. So smile like you mean it, and really do smile like you mean it. So I snatched that one too. Child, if I go into depth what those 2 bags really mean to me, this would be a whole nother video. So I also picked up this Jillian Michaels. I picked up this Killer Cardio DVD. Now, with Netflix and everything is streaming digital, you know, it was kind of funny to find this in Dollar Tree, but I'm still old school with it. I'll still pop a DVD, the DVD player, or the Blu-ray and the Blu-ray player. But the point is, I've been on a healthier lifestyle. So when I saw the Killer Cardio, I said, you know what? This is something that probably will work really well for me because I love doing cardio. I absolutely love doing cardio. So I'm going to see how well this do. Now, I also picked up, now this was an as seen on TV product. This is the 3-second rapid repair laser bond USA. That looks like this right here. And this one, it has a little light on the end, and it's supposed to help you bond things with a matter of seconds. And I'm not sure, it says it works on plastic, metal, rubber, wood, glass, and more. I got this. I'm just going to throw it in the kitchen drawer. Hopefully this will work when I need it to work. So I'll probably come back and let you dolls know about it, but to say it was just $1, I mean, why not? I snatched it. So next thing up I want to share with you all is some more makeup bags. Yes, dolls, some more makeup bags. I've seen these from, like I said, other Dollar Tree divas here was hauling them. This one in particular say XOXO, so I got that one right there. I got another one that says amazing. If you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll. You know I use that word all the time. And what I like really best about these bags is, although it's flat and it looks like nothing, this really holds a lot, glam dolls. When you get them open, you know, and you puff them out, this actually can fit a lot of stuff in it. So that's another reason why I was happy to find them. So I got that one, says amazing. And then this one says follow your heart. And that's another thing of why I picked it up, because I'm all for following what your heart desires, okay? The heart wants what the heart wants, and you know, you can't argue with it. So I got that one right there. I kid you not, if I really start telling you all what those things really mean to me, it'd be a whole nother video. Oh, this is what I wanted to really show y'all. Yes, now this right here, I picked up the keychains right here, the Tassel Keychains. Now they say these are Tassel Keychains. I purchased these because I'm going to add them onto my purse as a little purse charm. And there was 4 in particular. There's a pink one, a silver one, a gold one, and then you can't go wrong with a black and white one. Now when it comes to these keychains, but like I said, I'm going to use them as purse charms. They made of faux leather, and it has the faux leather rope right here that's tied together. And to say that it was in Dollar Tree, these are pretty well crafted. You know, they look pretty durable too. And I'm going to add them onto my pocketbooks, and these are the tassels right there. Found those. And I also picked up another Sure Fresh zipper seal sandwich bag. Now I picked this up not to put food in it. No, I like to store my costume jewelry in it. And just to show you what I'm talking about, give me just a moment. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This is what it's looking like outside of the packaging. See, I put my little dainty earrings or my costume jewelry necklaces in there, and then I can just toss it in the drawer, and I don't have to worry about them getting tangled, lost, separated, or damaged, because they each will be in their own little baggie. And that's why I purchased this right here. These are great to have. And if you want to also use it, you know, to put little snacks or food in it, that's great for you. But I bought it for my costume jewelry, so I got another one of those. And I also purchased this birthday photo props. Yes, doll. Now, if you are an official glam doll, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you know April is coming. And April is my birthday month. Yes, my birthday month. I celebrate all month long for April, and I will be celebrating using these little photo props. And let me open it so you can see what one of them is looking like. I've used some last year, but then my little friends and stuff kept them. Let me take 2 out. Hold on just a moment. So these are the photo props, and see how it has the little stuff like this and like this. Ah, yes, yes, glam dolls. Let me take the rest of them out for y'all. I'm going to be using my photo prop for my birthday. Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to do so without breaking bank. Here's another one I want to show y'all, because the queen will be arriving. Okay, that's another little photo prop. This one says, happy birthday. Ah! And then these are the 2 little birthday hats. Well, like this. Ah! So yeah, those are the photo props that come from Dollar Tree, and it was in the well, you know, where the arts and crafts are. They was over there. So I got those. And that's the first bag. So let's get on to the second bag that I have here. So this bag is going to be, I feel like I should have did a separate video for this bag. This bag is going to be beauty care items. I also picked up this head massager that looks like this right here. Let me see if I can get this open real quick. Anyhow, it's a head massager, and this is supposed to help scratch your scalp. If you're a person who likes your scalp being scratched, or if you're into massaging, you know, having your scalp massage, this will work well for you. You see I'm struggling to get this open. Here we go. This is what it's looking like when you get it out of its packaging. And I got my wig on, so I won't be able to feel it, but you know, you put it on your head and you go like that and whatnot, and this is your little scalp massager. So I was super excited to have seen that. I'll put that down. So the next thing I picked up, still with the pampering care, is my eye mask. Now I had one of these before in the past, and it kind of dried out for some reason. I don't know what the heck happened to it, but I saw it, I picked it up again, because when I was using it, it did work well, but then once I stopped using it and just like put it in the drawer, it seemed to have gotten messed up. So this is my little eye mask, and let me open this one. Look at that, dolls. I done switched the game up. I'm actually opening stuff and showing y'all. Woo! The official Glam Dolls, and when I say official, subscribe Glam Dolls, y'all know I was not doing that before. So anyhow, it has a little Velcro right there, and when you want to depuff your eyes or something like that, you can put them on like this. Yeah, ooh, yes, this feels so good against my skin. I kid y'all not. You can use this cold, like you can freeze this and, you know, put this on your face cold while you're doing your facial. You can just lay there, you know, and just let the coolness depuff your eyes and just soothe away the stress that you're feeling. And, you know, you're going to feel so calm. And also you're going to look so chic because, you know, you got your little eye mask thing going. But you can use this warm. I would suggest you dip it in hot water. Do not microwave this. No, do not put it in the microwave. If you want to use this warm, boil some water. After the water boil and sit for a second, you know, a minute, dip this in there, whatever, and then apply it. But I like to use this cold, so that's that. I like to use it cold. So that's that right there. And oh, the Bolero products are back in my local Dollar Tree. No way I was leaving them behind. When I say I racked up on the coconut and mango scented version, okay? I got the facial wipes, which looks like this right here. I got the bath soap. These are like bath salts, okay? Equivalent to Epsom salt, but it smells like coconut and mango. Oh, this smells so good. Got that one. I also got the body oil. This is great for your body for when you're getting out the shower. Right before you get out the shower, you spritz this all over your body and you rub it in. And then for me, I didn't need any lotion or anything thereafter, but I like using this body oil. And it's also for your hair too if you want to. And I also picked up a body cream. This is not the lotion. This is the cream, which is a lot thicker and more moisturizing than the lotion. So I picked that up. And on that note, dolls, this concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway that I got going on with, like I said, the amazing collaboration with JORD watches. So one of you will get a fair chance to win your very own exclusive handcrafted wooden timepiece valued at $180. Yes, JORD watches, which is this right here. Trust me, you're gonna like the watches. And like I said earlier, you're gonna get a chance. You can pick and choose whatever design you want at $180 value, and you're also gonna have a chance to have an engravement done on it too. Seriously, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Join in on an amazing official glam doll community where I love sharing fab beauty on a budget finds. So I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta put my stuff away. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.